ミリーに盾つく者たちは俺が相手だ。怖い。だって
So I encountered some problems with Luffy as well. Broke some of his parts, his head. Bad finishing. I'm just too tired of doing finishings, but I'll do it next time when I get a bigger print. But as of today, since he's too small, I can't sandpaper all of his body. So yeah. So now I'm done finishing up the first layer of paint, and we're gonna be painting him, finishing him, and then that's basically it for the video. So this is Monkey D. Luffy. Monkey D. Luffy. Oi, Luffy! So anyways, let's get on to the video. Hello, mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. So okay guys, after finishing up Luffy, by the time I got Zoro to compare him, I've noticed something wrong. I think Zoro is just way too tall for Luffy, or Luffy is just too short compared to Zoro. I think I underestimated the height of Luffy. In doing Zoro, I've encountered some problems as well, such as support, just too much supports, painting, finishing. But anyways, we're done with Luffy. This is Luffy. Tell you first, I am not a professional painter plus a finisher. I'm not good at finishing. I decided not to finish him up like sanding, you know. Before I go off showing off Luffy, I hope you comment, like, subscribe, share this video if you like the video, and help my channel grow. Let's get on to the video. And by the way, thank you for watching. By this time, I've reached about how many minutes? I don't know. Thank you for watching.